Hi, dear students, dear UKG students. As I've teaching you literacy skills workbook. Simultaneously, let me start with numeracy skills workbook. Okay, this is the same hop, skip, and jump senior KG numeracy skills workbook. Okay. So here in this, we have some more activities in the numeracy skills workbook. Okay, here sorting is there. Sorting means the same set of pictures, okay. For example, you have chocolates, biscuits, okay, marbles, all together put one side. You need to sort them. All the chocolates you make one side, all the biscuits you make one side, and all the marbles you make one side. This is called as a sorting. Means all mess together. Okay, all the things are messed together. Just you need to make a sorting of the things. Alright, here in this same activity, here also we have a same activity. Circle the animal. Sorting means making separate. Okay, this is sorting. Circle the animals into set of the same type. This is tortoise. 1, 2, 3. These are tortoise. Okay, and here fishes, here butterflies. Okay, now circle the fishes. This is one type of animals. Fishes are one type of animals. Okay, next we have butterflies. This is one sort. Okay, next we have monkeys. Next we have cats. Okay, these are cats. So we have sorted into tortoise one side, fish one side, butterflies one side, monkeys one side, and the cats one side. Okay, just simple fun-filled activities are there. Just you need to sort the things. This is on the page number 7 of numeracy skills workbook. Page number 7. Okay, will you do it? Alright, next we have some fruits. We have sorting up of some fruits. Okay, circle the fruits into sets of the same type. Okay, so here the fruits have orange. Okay, so this is one set of fruits. Strawberry, one set of fruit, and watermelon, another set of fruits. Banana, another set of fruits. Okay, then apple, you have another set of fruits. Just that you no need to do anything, just you need to circle. So this is called sorting. You made orange one side, strawberry one side, watermelon one side, and the banana one side, and apple another side. Okay, this is what simply a sorting. Okay, as I told you, sorting of your, for example, you have toys, all the toys mixed together. Just you people are going to make a sorting of your toys. Okay, doll one side. Okay, tractor one side, car one side, jeep one side. Okay, so this kind of, and utensils, kitchen utensils we are making one side. So that is nothing but sorting. Okay, that is nothing but sorting. Alright, next concept is on the page number 9. Next concept is this one-to-one 1 to 1. 1 to 1 means here the number of kites and number of kids. Here the number of kites and here the number of kids. Okay, so you need to make 1 to 1. Make 1 to 1. Clear? Shall I make 1 to 1? Shall I make 1 to 1? This is 1 boy to 1 kite. 1 girl to 1 kite. Another girl to 1 kite. Boy, kite. Another girl, then the kite. Okay? Got it? This is simply drawing a straight line, matching 1 to 1. This is making 1 to 1 on the page number 9. On the page number 9, making 1 to 1 pictures. Okay, simple. Next we have picture talk. Peek a bow. Peek a bow. Alright, this is some. Look at the picture and answer the following questions. Look at the picture and answer the following questions. So here, how many umbrellas here? 1 umbrella is here. How many kids are playing? 2 kids are playing. How many starfishes are there? 1, 2, 3, 3 starfishes are there. How many birds are flying? 2 birds are flying. How many fishes are there in the sea? 1 fish. Total how many fishes? Here one fish and here is another 1 fish. 2 fishes. Okay. And how many clouds you can see? 1, 2. Okay. How many suns you can see? 1 sun you can see. So like this, you have been asked questions on this picture. Just you need to observe the picture properly, right? This will help you for observation, identification and counting. Okay, just we will show you some picture. You need to observe carefully, and this will enhance your better observation, identification and counting. Okay, so here in this, how many starfishes are there? 1, 2, 3. How many kids are there? 2 kids. How many umbrellas there here? 1 umbrella. How many children are there? 2 children. How many fish? Number of fishes are there? So here 1 fish and another is 2 fishes. Okay, like this. So here questions are asked. Okay, you need to observe the picture carefully. Observe the picture carefully. All right. Then you need to answer the questions. Count and write. Number of starfishes: 1, 2, 3. 3 starfishes. Number of umbrellas: here only 1 umbrella. Only 1 umbrella. 1. Number of birds: now how many birds are here? 1, 2. 2 birds. Right, 2 birds. Number of children: 1, 2. 2 children. Okay, 2 children. Then again you have a number of fishes. 1 fish is here and another is fish. No, only 1 fish is here. Alright. How many fishes are there? 2 fishes. Okay, write 2 fishes here. Number of fishes 2. Okay, this is what. Just simply observe the picture, identify the pictures, identify the images, and just you need to count and fill. That's it. Next we have a complete it. Matte purti golsodu. What we have to complete? We have to draw 2 wheels on the car. 2 wheels on the car. Okay. How to draw the wheels? Just wheels are round in shape. Wheels are round in shape. This is okay. Or you may take your bangles to draw the round shape of wheel. Round shape of wheel. Okay. Right. Just complete the two wheels on the car. Next, here we have a draw the 6 legs for the ant. 6 legs for the ant. This is 1 leg. This is 2 leg, 3 legs, 4 legs, 5 legs, 6 legs. Okay, this is 6 legs of insects. Okay, draw the 6 legs for the ant. Okay, here draw 6 legs for the ant. Next, draw 5 candles on the cake. How many candles? 5 candles. Now, can you draw the candles? Can you draw the candles? Okay. One candle. Okay. Second candle. Third candle. Fourth candle. Fifth candle. So there are 5 candles we have drawn here. Draw 5 candles on the cake. There are 5 candles on the cake. You may color it also, no problem. Okay, 5 candles. Alright, next, this is on the page number 11. Next is here, draw a cherry. Draw a cherry. Draw a cherry. Cherry on the cupcake. Okay, cherry, round cherry. You have to make the color. If you want, you can make the red color. If you want, you can make the red color on the cherry. Okay, okay, right. Next, so here draw the balloon for each child. Draw a balloon for each child. Draw a balloon for each child. For each child you need to draw the balloon. Okay. For each child, we are drawing a balloon. For each child, draw a balloon. If you want, you can make a color of it. Draw of your own. These are balloons. Okay? Balloons. For each child, we have drawn a balloon. Okay? So here in this case, here in this sheet, we have a left and a right. Place your left and right palms on the page. Trace the outline. Trace the outline. So how we have to do it? So left palm, this is my left hand. Okay, this is my left hand. This is my left hand. Okay, my left hand. Alright, so here we need to place, yes, we need to, you guys having a small hands, just place like this and draw the outline. This is left hand and this is right hand. My hands are very big, we can't able to draw both the hands here. Okay, or you can place like this, simultaneously you can place your fingers like this, hands here simultaneously here. This is left hand and this is right hand. Okay, you can draw. This is homework for you people. Okay, draw your left hand and a right hand. Okay, all right. So okay, now here in this page number 14 of the same book. Okay, page number 14 of the same book, what you have to do is, here color the flower to the left of Anu, orange, left of Anu orange, and to the right of Anu blue. Okay, so here what do you mean by left of Anu and right of Anu? Left of not me, okay, left of not you. Okay, your left is different from Anu's left. Okay, just you have to notice left of Anu, this is left of Anu and this is right of Anu. Okay, she is Anu, here it is she is, this is her left hand and this is her right hand. This is left hand side and this is right hand side. Okay, for you this is your right hand and this is your left hand. Okay, here this is your left hand and this is your right hand. Okay, but for you it will become a right, but for Anu it will be the left. It will be the left because Anu is staying like this. Okay, this will become left. Clear? This is left hand side to the Anu and this is right hand side to the Anu. So color the flower to the left of Anu orange. So this is orange. Okay, we need to color the orange color to this flower. Orange color to the flower. Okay, orange color to the flower. This is left hand side of Anu. She is Anu. This is her left hand side. So left hand side orange color flowers. You have to fill with the orange color. You have to fill with the orange color. Okay, got it? Right, this is orange color. Then on the right hand side what you have to do is you have to color with the blue, and this is blue color. Okay, see here. you have to fill. This is the right hand side of a Annu. She is Annu. This is right hand side. Okay, this left hand side the orange color, right hand side the blue color. Got it? Left hand side of a Annu and right hand side of a Annu. Okay, got it? Right. Next is color the shirt to the left of color the shirt to the left of you. Left of you. Not here. There is no particular person mentioned. Left of you. Left of you means this is your left side and this is your right side. Okay. This is your right hand and this is your left hand. Okay. Clear. Color the shirt to the left of you with a red and right of you with a green and middle one blue. Okay. Okay. So here left of me is this side. This is left. Okay. This is left of me. This is left hand side of me. Right. In me in the sense you. Okay. So this is right side of you. This is left side of you and this is right side of you. So for the left side what you have to do is color with the red color. Color the shirt to the left of you red. To the right of you green. This is right of you is green. This is red. And the middle one is blue. This is red. Okay. And this is right of you is green. Okay. Then middle one is blue. Okay. So will you do it? Left of you is the red color shirt. This is left of you is a red color shirt. Okay. And right of you is green color shirt. Right of you is green color shirt. Okay, and the center middle one is blue color shirt. Middle one is blue color shirt. Okay, this is left of you is red color, right of you is green color, and middle one is blue color shirt. Okay, will you color it? Very good. Again, few more examples on left and right. Okay, left and right. Color the star on the left yellow. Here left means left of me, left of you. Here left of you. Color the star on the left yellow, yellow color. Left is this is left and this is right. Okay, this is yellow color. So this will help you to observation, identification and direction and visual discrimination. Okay, this activity will help you for observation, observing well the pictures and identifying. Then we have a directions left and right, then visual discrimination. Okay, this activity will help you for distinguishing these kind of activities. Clear? This is left of you is blue color. The next is color the circle on the right, red color on the right. This is right, this is left and this is right. This is red color. Will you do it? Okay, this is what the numeracy skills workbook, the page number from 7 to 15. Today I worked from page number 7, page number sorting page number 7 to page number 15. Just you need to work along with the video. You first follow the video, try to understand, then take your workbook and take colors, take pencil and sit down and work. Okay, if you find any doubts, just give me a call. Okay, till then, take care. Bye bye.